Did you know that up to 70% of your body is made up of water? That's right. We're practically cucumbers with anxiety. But jokes aside, this fact alone should tell you just how vital H2O is to our health and well-being. From regulating temperature to delivering nutrients, water is involved in pretty much every bodily function. And just like a car can't run without oil, our bodies can't function at their best without enough water. In this video, we're diving deep into the incredible world of hydration. We'll uncover the amazing ways water keeps us going and explore the not-so-fun consequences of not getting enough. Because trust me, dehydration is no joke. Whether you're a seasoned water enthusiast or someone who forgets to drink water throughout the day, this video is for you. Stay tuned as we unlock the secrets of water and learn how to optimize our health, one sip at a time. You know how your phone gets all heated up when you've been gaming for too long? Well, our bodies are kind of similar. We generate heat all the time, and just like our phones need a cooling system, we do too. Enter water, our internal AC unit. When we sweat, it's our body's way of releasing heat and cooling down. And guess what sweating relies on? You got it, water. And it's not just sweating, even breathing plays a role. Every time we exhale, we lose a little bit of water vapor. So, staying adequately hydrated is super important to replenish those fluids we lose and keep our internal temperature in check. Trust me, nobody wants to feel like they're overheating. Okay, imagine this. You order a delicious, nutritious meal on Uber Eats, but there's no delivery driver. That's kind of what happens in our bodies without enough water. Water is the delivery driver for all the good stuff. Oxygen, nutrients, hormones, you name it. It flows through our blood vessels, carrying these essential passengers to every single cell in our body. And it's not a one-way street either. Water also helps remove waste products from our cells, like taking out the trash after a delicious meal. So to keep everything running smoothly and efficiently, we gotta stay hydrated. Let's talk about our kidneys for a second. They're like the body's filtration system, working tirelessly to remove waste products and toxins from our blood. And guess what they need to function at their best? You guessed it, water. Think of water as the cleaning crew for our kidneys. It helps flush out all the bad stuff that our bodies don't need, preventing those toxins from building up and causing trouble. Remember those times you woke up with a pounding headache after a night out? Dehydration might have been a contributing factor. So if you want to keep your kidneys happy and your body free from toxins, make sure you're drinking enough water. Ever feel that uncomfortable, bloated feeling after a meal? Yeah, not fun. Well, water plays a crucial role in keeping our digestive system running smoothly and preventing those uncomfortable moments. Think of water as the lubricant that keeps things moving along our digestive tract. It helps break down food, making it easier to digest and absorb nutrients. Not only that, but water also helps prevent constipation by adding bulk to our stool, making it, well, easier to pass. So next time you're feeling a little backed up, reach for a glass of water before you reach for anything else. Okay, we all want to stay feeling young and agile, right? Well, water plays a significant role in keeping our joints healthy and lubricated. It acts like a cushion between our bones, preventing friction and that dreaded creaky joint feeling. And it's not just about our insides. Water is crucial for our largest organ too, our skin. Proper hydration keeps our skin moisturized, supple and glowing. Think of it as a natural moisturizer from the inside out. So, drink your way to healthier joints and radiant skin. Who needs expensive creams when you have water? Now, let's talk about kidney stones. Those nasty little crystals that can cause excruciating pain. Dehydration is one of the major risk factors for developing kidney stones. When we don't drink enough water, our urine becomes more concentrated, allowing minerals to bind together and form those painful stones. But don't worry, there's good news. Staying properly hydrated helps flush out those minerals, preventing them from forming stones in the first place. Think of it as preventative maintenance for your kidneys. We've all been there. That feeling of being, well, a little backed up. It's not a fun topic to discuss, but it's a common problem, and dehydration is a major culprit. When we don't drink enough water, our colon has to extract water from our stool, making it hard, dry, and difficult to pass. But here's the solution. Drinking plenty of water softens the stool, making it easier to, well, do its business. Think of it as giving your digestive system a helping hand. Urinary tract infections, or UTIs, are no joke. They can be incredibly painful and uncomfortable, and dehydration is a significant risk factor. When we don't drink enough water, our urine becomes more concentrated, creating a breeding ground for bacteria that can cause infections. But here's the good news. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out those bacteria, keeping our urinary tract healthy and infection-free. It's like giving those pesky bacteria an eviction notice. Think hydration. Ever feel that midday slump, that foggy brain feeling where you can't seem to focus? Well, dehydration might be the culprit. Our brain relies heavily on water to function correctly. When we're dehydrated, our brain cells shrink, affecting our cognitive abilities like memory, focus, and even mood. So next time you're feeling mentally drained, reach for a glass of water and give your brain the hydration it craves. It's like a mental reset button. Ever stood up too quickly and felt lightheaded or even fainted? That's called orthostatic hypotension, and dehydration can be a major contributing factor. When we're dehydrated, our blood volume decreases, making it harder for our hearts to pump blood to our brains. This can lead to dizziness, lightheadedness, and even fainting. But don't worry, the solution is simple. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water helps maintain our blood volume, keeping our blood pressure stable and ensuring that our brains get the oxygen they need. So there you have it. We've explored the incredible ways water keeps us healthy and vibrant. From regulating our temperature to boosting our brain power, the benefits of hydration are undeniable. Remember, listening to your body is key. Pay attention to your thirst cues and make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after exercise. And here's a little tip. Check the color of your urine. If it's pale yellow, you're good to go. But if it's dark yellow, it's time to grab a glass of water. And lastly, while reaching for that soda or alcoholic beverage might be tempting, remember that water is always the healthier choice. So make hydration a priority, and let's unlock the full potential of H2O together.